Welcome to the tutorial on installing the green power module in the CAME FA70230CB automation for sliding gates. For installation you will need a small flat screwdriver for terminals and a star screwdriver. The material to be installed is composed of the green power module, the connection cables, and the module fixing bracket. First, turn off the power to the automation. Install the module fixing bracket to the transformer, using the 2 screws provided. Disconnect the cable coming from the transformer from the electronic board. Connect the wire you just removed to the terminal block, following the connection order: white with L1T, red with L2T, and black with CT. Remove the terminal block from the cable provided. Connect the cable to the terminal block, respecting the connection order: white with L1T, red with L2T, and black with CT. Reposition the terminal block on the electronic board. Insert the transformer cable into the green power module in the position indicated. Plug the power cable into the green power module in the position indicated. Remove the transparent cover with the Phillips screwdriver. Insert the STB cable into the electronic board and close the transparent plastic cover. Pass the cable through the cutout in the cover. Secure everything with the screw. Plug the STB cable into the green power module. Insert the module into the fixing bracket. The automation with green power installed goes into low consumption mode after 3 minutes of inactivity. This state is signaled by a flash of the LED every 5 seconds. For more information, please visit the technical documentation website at docs.came.com. We hope we have been helpful, and thank you for choosing CAME for your automatic gate.